What's the meaning of aerialist? Aerialist. 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 An aerialist is an acrobat who performs acrobatic maneuvers while suspended in the air via a specialized apparatus such as a trapeze, aerial hoop, or silk ribbons. Aerialists require significant strength, flexibility, and coordination to perform their routines, and they often incorporate dance and storytelling into their performances. They may perform solo or as part of an ensemble, and their acts can range from elegant and graceful to daring and dangerous. Aerialists are often featured in circus, theater, and variety shows, and they continue to captivate audiences with their mesmerizing and death-defying performances.